My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please.
I've been ready for this my whole life.
I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equations I get used to. A mountain is spontaneous. Spinning that monsoon ain't ready. This high octane. Explosive out when I can. Cause life's a hassle. Probably like the most around the castle.
What is up, guys? So today I am going to be fixing my exhaust. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's a little wonky looking. So me and Joey are at O'Reilly's right now. We're gonna get exhaust parts, and we kind of build our own exhaust. I don't know if you guys knew that, but we're probably gonna get like some exhaust thing, because right now it's like really loud and it's a little too loud. So I'm gonna quiet it up a little bit, and I'm gonna be getting a cool air intake soon. I've ordered it. Nobody knows this yet. I'm just gonna surprise everybody and just put it on myself, which that will be in the video. We're at O'Reilly. Easy Lube, get my oil changed. Here, Joey. There she goes. So I just burned out in the Easy Lube parking lot. They go, can this thing even do a burnout? And I was like, argh. So now gonna be videos of me and Joey putting on my exhaust. Let's go, baby. It's starting to rain. I love it when that happens.
But 8 bars of the truth will do. I believe there's a bride that's stunning, and I believe in the kingdom coming. I believe if you seek the truth, you don't need to look far, cause it's gonna find you. So why do I trust?
Look at the babies. Look at the babies. All right, we're at my grandpa's shop. Getting ready to take. That's what it looks like now. Everybody likes it right there now, but I think I'm gonna change it. So we'll see if I get hate for that. Yeah, we're gonna cut it clean off, so it'll go right back on. So we'll get some extender thing. Set the camera right over here. All right, guys, so Joey's underneath cutting it, and we're trying to get the good clean angle, so we're gonna hope that it all goes together. There's the old exhaust right there. There's part of the new exhaust and new exhaust tube. So here's nothing. Oh, dude, that just smacked me in the face.
All right. Weld anyway.
Geez, that hurt. That was clean.
Dang, boy.
Not bad, not bad.
I mean, you ain't laying beads, but you laying streaks, and that's not bad. That's a good old weld. That's actually pretty good. That's a lot better than what we used to do.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
It was just a whole bunch of clumps, like the last time we did
If
it.
you go look at my old exhaust that we had on, just look at all the smoke.
We'll get it.
Ow! Made in Canada. Not anymore. Made in Merca.
Not in Canada anymore.
More Canada.
More Canada?
Just Merca.
More Canada. So here's the old welds that he did. Not very impressive at all. Here's the new ones. It's not bad. A little bit more shiny, a little bit more like linear, but you see he definitely laid down the beads like everywhere. But it's better than anything I could have done. But he definitely definitely did a better job the second time than the first time.
So we're out here in the jungle, and we're what? No. Joey is he's using a bum hole. Joey's using a bum hole to clean this off. I'm gonna clean up my weld. We're gonna stick this fat exhaust tip on behind Joey. That fat exhaust tip. That's the fist test. Obviously, the fist test. It's like a bat. Shut up.
There's holes in the shirt. I got that on video.
So say slowly.
Okay, go. Anytime today.
Alright guys, we're in my car. It literally handles so much better now that we did the exhaust. Like, so much better. Like, definitely more tamed. I got like dirt all over my nose.
You're all that handling? It sounds amazing.
Yeah, Joey slid underneath, so his whole bottom side is like destroyed. The garage door is closing and goes, slide, Joey, slide! He goes, boom, right underneath. I'm like, I can't believe you did that.
Trail mix, bro. Always.
Cars, it's Cars spelled with a K. You start a brand name, Cars. Except it's already started.
Yeah, but
Okay.
we're not sponsored.
Well, we're gonna get sponsored.
We're gonna get sponsored soon, though. They better. We're gonna get so good at drifting.
Well, guys, that's it for this video. We're chilling downstairs watching Fast and Furious 5, the Fast 5. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to, and that's it for this video.